before Ramadan starts tonight, ask yourself this one question. Tonight could change your Ramadan forever. Are you ready? A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. My brothers and sisters, tonight feels quiet but not empty. There is something in the air, a pause, a stillness, as if the world itself is holding its breath. Because tonight, Allah is looking at the hearts that are ready, not the perfect ones, not the strongest ones, but the ones that want to return. You know, many of us think Ramadan begins with the sighting of the moon, but the scholars taught something deeper. Al-Ghazali once wrote that the true beginning of worship is not in the body, it is in the intention of the heart. And tonight, intentions are being written. Some hearts are saying, Ya Allah, I'm tired of my sins. Some hearts are saying, I don't know how to change, but I want to. And Allah loves that voice more than the voice of someone who thinks they are already righteous. My dear brothers and sisters, Ramadan is not coming to test your strength. Ramadan is coming to heal your weakness. It is not arriving to punish you. It is arriving to rescue you. How many Ramadans have passed in our lives? Some we wasted scrolling, some we slept through, some we entered with plans and left unchanged. But maybe this Ramadan is different, because tonight you are listening to this message, and maybe Allah guided you here for a reason. Ibn Rajab al-Hanbali once said that when Allah wants good for a servant, He opens for them the door of preparation before the door of action. And preparation begins tonight, not tomorrow, not after the first Taraweeh. Tonight. Tonight is when you forgive people. Tonight is when you whisper your first sincere dua. Tonight is when you make one small promise to Allah, not a huge promise, just one. Maybe it's, I will guard my prayers, I will leave one sin, I will open the Quran every day. Small steps are beloved to Allah when they are sincere. You don't need to enter Ramadan perfect. You just need to enter it honest. Because Allah is not looking for performance, He is looking for hearts. He is looking for the servant who says, Ya Allah, I'm not ready, but I want to be. And that sentence alone can change your entire Ramadan. So tonight, before you sleep, sit for 1 minute, just one. Raise your hands quietly and say, Ya Allah, let this Ramadan be the one that brings me back to you. If you say that sincerely, this Ramadan may become the most important turning point of your life. May Allah allow us to witness Ramadan with clean hearts, forgiven sins, and renewed faith. Ameen. And if this reminder touched your heart, like, comment, and subscribe for more Islamic motivational videos like this. For more heart-touching Islamic reminders, faith boosters, and short motivational talks that bring peace to your heart and draw you closer to Allah, watch the full playlist in the description below for heart-touching Islamic reminders like motivation, faith, and hope.